Well, now that we know how well it works, let's step back and do a little unboxing here. And by the way, this video is sponsored by KEDSUM. I want to thank them for sending this out. May have to lay this down. As your instructions here. Some assembly obviously is required. It does have 7-inch hard plastic wheels. It does come with the tools to put them on here with. And we'll just take these, slide it in right here. And just have little catch pins right there. So you'll be able to take this on and off for storage. Just like so. And you have your axle up here. We'll put our wheels on there. Just basically like that right there. It does have the nuts and washers on here to securely fasten the wheels on. Place your washer on there first, and your nut. And you don't need to over tighten these. They are made to stay on good. But if you get them too tight, your wheel won't turn real good. So if you over tighten it and it won't spin good, loosen it off a little bit and you should be good. There you go. That is fairly lightweight, so it'll be easily managed. And it does haul up to 280 pounds. As you're locking front wheels, you can just push it down like so, and it will be locked. Has your storage compartment down here, and it is about 24 inches, and it's about 16 inches wide. Easily accessible there. Put heavier stuff, as you saw, right down here. And right under here, you'll notice there is a Velcro strap. It's going to go around your axle here. And do it like this. Put it around like that. It goes just like that. It'll still slide around a little bit, but it won't go back and forth this way. Now I've got it down on the floor so you can see it better. We're going to raise it up in a moment. Right here is a lock. You can unlock that and you'll be able to raise it. When you lower it, go ahead and lock that back into place. You don't have to worry about it coming up on you. Easy storage. And when you get ready to raise it, all you do is lift up on the handle like this and it will open right up. And there you go. You got that lock right here. I did notice on your front wheels when you lock that down, it doesn't turn where your cart can go sideways. It won't turn. When it's unlocked, see, it turns. It's a good idea to keep that cart from turning while you're trying to load it. Just lock that wheel and then you can load it up without it moving side to side or back and forth. This bottom basket is removable. You can undo the straps like that, and you can take that off if you want to. You got 3 straps on each side. Just take them off and then you can remove this. Now when you lower this, that bottom Velcro strap that goes around that axle will come loose. So you'll need to put that back on there when you raise your cart and get ready to do your shopping or whatever. You don't necessarily have to put the strap around it. It just helps secure it better. Another neat little feature is it does have a cover. And you can put this cover in out of the way, or you can pull it out, and it has Velcro right here, and it'll attach right there. So if you're wanting to keep something out of the sunlight or kind of keep it hidden, you can do that. Now, as far as lowering it, you have a catch under here and an unlock button right there. Slide that over. Pull that inwards and it will just fold down just like so. And there you go. To lift it up, put the foot right there, lift it up, and you're ready to go. As far as this cover that goes over the top, you can roll this up Do it like that, and you have a elastic catch right here. Put that right in like this, and now that's rolled up. Won't be dangling down or in your way. Now, as far as your frame goes, it's made of steel, and the material is a 600D Oxford fabric. Holds 4.59 cubic feet. But there's your measurements, 14 inches in depth, and it is about 16 inches wide. As far as your length goes, it's about 2 foot. Actually, the bottom is about 20.5 inches. Across up here, it's 2 foot, but across that bottom, it's 20 inches. Either way, that'll hold a lot right there, especially with the cost of groceries nowadays. So I tell you what, if you are looking for a shopping cart where you're going to like Sam's Club, Costco, something like that, flea market, whatever, even the beach, rolls really easy. I love the locking wheels on that front that keeps it from turning sideways. Got good capacity for pretty much putting whatever you need to in there. Got your bottom tray down here, great for cases of water. Yeah. Definitely a winner in my book. I like it. Hey, if you want to check this out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you might want to check this playlist out right over here. Maybe something else in there you'd be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.